Glasses perched up on her face. She's got her hair tied up in braids.
You probably all just heard that. That's fine. All right, here we go. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thanks for coming out.
I should probably,
Yeah. We got a new song that we're going to play for you here.
Yes, of course.
What was that?
Probably standing, right?
I think I just dropped a gem out of my pocket. Oh, maybe I should trade it in. All right, yeah, we're going to play a new song. This one is something we've been working on for a long time. I hope you all enjoy it. It doesn't have a name. It's currently untitled, so
You're in trouble.
that's what we're going to do. It's an untitled song, and I hope you enjoy it. Maybe you can help us come up with a title after the end of the show. It's going to be peppy. It's going to be a lot of upbeat, so hopefully see somebody out there dancing. Okay.
This probably like that.
And a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'll watch it. TikTok. Can you buy TikTok? How do you buy that? Yeah, my son's into it, big time. Yeah, I mean, I think I don't know how to buy it. Is it possible? Not really? All right, well, you find me a company that is just like TikTok then, and buy that one then. Go fuck yourself. Yeah. Real funny. Real funny stuff. You did this. You did this, and you can fix it too, you know. You know, you have the power to fix all this. Where are you? Where are you? Wait, hold on. Hold on. There's a message. Hold on, wait, there's a special message from Mr. Giraffe. Mr. Giraffe, oh my goodness, I'm so glad to hear from you. Did you find that company? Yeah, no, I didn't mean to hang up on you that hard. I didn't mean to hang up on one of your employees. Okay, all right, fine. This is way too big for a briefcase. Speed it up. Gonna rock out, man. You know, for fun.